Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter number 3, Push and the Parrot. Before starting the chapter, let us learn some new words. I will tell you the meaning of these words. Our first word is hungry. Hungry means the desire for food. Paws. Paws means the feet of animals. Next word is raining. Raining means drops of water coming from the sky. Hear. Hear means to listen. Wait means to stay. So let's begin the chapter. It is raining. Push the cat is feeling hungry. There is no food. There are no rats. He looks here and there. He sees a parrot sitting on a tree. He requests the parrot. So, students, this story is basically a conversation between Push the cat and the parrot. So, Push says, Mr. Parrot, you sing well. Please sing a song for me. Parrot is feeling very happy and he says, Yes, yes, la la la, dum de dum. Push says, I cannot hear you, Mr. Parrot. Please come near me. Parrot says, No, no, Mr. Push, you may eat me. Push says, No, my dear, I am an old cat. I have no teeth. I cannot eat you. Parrot says, Then here I come. La la la, dum de dum, tra la la. Then Push jumps on the parrot and hold him in his paws. Push, now I am going to eat you. Parrot says, You are a good cat. If you want to eat me, you must first wash your hands and face. That is what all good cats do. Push says, Just see how fast I wash my face and hands. You stand here and see. Parrot says, I'm not going to wait for you to eat me up. Here I go. Bye bye, Push. So, what is the moral of this story? The moral of the story is we should be aware of the flatterers. We should be aware of the flatterers. So you will read the chapter again, and now we will start our first question of this chapter. Come to page number 8. The first question you have to do it yourself in your book itself. That is, you have to color the bird you find in the story. Can you tell me which bird we find in the story? Yes, it is a parrot. So you will color the third bird, that is the parrot. Now, let's start our next question. That is, we have to tick the right and cross out the wrong statements. First statement is, it is a rainy day. Can you tell me, students, whether it is right or wrong? Yes, it is a rainy day. We will have to put a tick. That means we have to put a right one. Next is, Push is not feeling hungry. Is it correct? or wrong? Yes, Push is feeling hungry. So we have to put a cross because Push was feeling very hungry. And the sentence says Push is not feeling hungry. The statement is incorrect. So we have to put a cross mark. Now our next statement is Push eats the parrot. Now tell me whether it is a wrong statement or a correct statement. Yes, it is a wrong statement. So we will put a cross mark. D. The parrot jumps on Push. This statement is also a wrong statement and we will put a cross mark. Now, next question is we have to arrange the following sentences in the correct order in your notebook. We have to put number against each statement. Okay, our first statement is Push is feeling hungry. So this will be our first statement. Next is he sees a parrot. So we will write 2 against he sees a parrot. Third statement is the parrot next statement is third statement is he holds the parrot in his paws. Fourth statement is the parrot tells Push to wash his hands. And last statement is the parrot flies away. Okay, so the sequence is like this. The first sentence you will put 4, then 1, next is 2, next then 5, then 3. Once again I am repeating. The first sentence you will write 4, then after it you will write 1, third sentence you will write 2, fourth sentence you will write 5, and last sentence you will write 3. That's all you have to do it in your book. Okay, in our next class we will do our question answers of this chapter. Till then you go through the chapter properly and learn the new words also. Thank you.